Restaurant-style salads aren't just about fresh ingredients, they're an artful combination of taste, presentation, and balance, designed to excite your senses and elevate a simple meal into something extraordinary. Recreating these gourmet salads at home is surprisingly easy, offering you the freedom to customize them with your favorite ingredients while still maintaining that luxurious, professional touch. In this guide, we'll dive into 40 detailed tips and tricks that will help you craft restaurant-quality salads in your own kitchen, step by step. Start with fresh, quality ingredients. Always choose the freshest greens, such as crisp romaine, tender spinach, or mixed baby greens, as they form the foundation of your salad and provide the vibrant, crunchy texture that's key to a professional feel. Seasonal produce is a game changer. Fruits and vegetables at their peak are bursting with natural flavors and nutrients, making your salad not only tastier but also healthier. Properly wash and dry your greens using a salad spinner or clean kitchen towels, as dry leaves help dressing adhere better, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Experiment with a variety of textures by combining crunchy cucumbers, creamy avocados, and juicy cherry tomatoes, which together create a delightful sensory experience. Include seasonal fruits such as strawberries, orange slices, or pomegranate seeds, as their natural sweetness adds a pop of color and balances the savory elements. Building the perfect salad base. Start with a mix of greens to create depth and complexity. Pair the peppery bite of arugula with the mild, buttery taste of Boston lettuce for a balanced base. For heartier salads, incorporate grains like quinoa, farro, or wild rice, as they add a satisfying texture and make the salad more filling. Shredded vegetables like carrots, beets, or red cabbage not only add crunch but also inject vibrant colors, making your salad visually appealing and nutrient-rich. Roasted or grilled vegetables, such as zucchini, asparagus, or sweet potatoes, introduce a warm and smoky flavor that contrasts beautifully with fresh greens. Fresh herbs like parsley, basil, or dill bring an aromatic freshness to the salad, elevating its flavor profile to restaurant standards. Add proteins for a balanced meal. Protein is essential for turning a salad into a complete meal. Grilled chicken, shrimp, or seared salmon add a satisfying, hearty element. For plant-based options, include seasoned tofu, crispy tempeh, or roasted chickpeas, which provide a delicious, high-protein alternative. A perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg or a silky poached egg can add a luxurious texture and a rich flavor to your salad. Cheese lovers can incorporate crumbled feta, tangy goat cheese, or shaved parmesan for creamy richness and an added layer of flavor. Nuts and seeds, such as toasted almonds, pecans, or pumpkin seeds, not only add crunch but also provide healthy fats and protein. Mastering the dressing. The dressing is the heart of your salad. Aim for a balance of acidity, sweetness, and fat to tie all the ingredients together seamlessly. A classic vinaigrette made with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and honey is simple yet elegant, offering a versatile flavor profile that complements most salads. Experiment with creamy dressings, such as avocado lime or tahini lemon, to create unique flavor combinations that rival restaurant specialties. Always add dressing just before serving to keep your greens crisp and fresh, ensuring the salad maintains its texture and visual appeal. Toss your salad lightly and evenly, so the dressing enhances every bite without overwhelming the delicate flavors of the ingredients. Play with presentation. Presentation makes a huge difference. Use a wide, shallow bowl to showcase the layers of your salad and allow easy mixing without crushing delicate ingredients. Arrange toppings in sections or layers before tossing to create a visually stunning composition that will impress anyone at the table. Use a vegetable peeler to create thin ribbons of carrots, cucumbers, or zucchini, adding an elegant and professional touch to your salad. Edible flowers like nasturtiums or pansies not only add a decorative flair but also introduce subtle, unique flavors that elevate your dish. Sprinkle garnishes like toasted sesame seeds, microgreens or finely chopped nuts at the end to enhance both flavor and presentation. Incorporate unique flavors and textures. Add a handful of toasted bread croutons, crispy pita chips, or seasoned tortilla strips for a satisfying crunch that contrasts with tender greens. Marinated ingredients like olives, artichoke hearts, or sun-dried tomatoes can add bold, savory notes that bring depth to the overall flavor. Drizzle balsamic glaze, honey, or a touch of maple syrup for a hint of sweetness that beautifully balances the salad's savory components. Warm ingredients, like roasted squash or grilled proteins, paired with chilled greens create a contrast in temperature that enhances the dining experience. Pickled vegetables, such as tangy onions or cucumbers, introduce acidity that cuts through richer elements and brightens the salad's overall flavor. Tips for meal prep and versatility: pre-wash and store greens in an airtight container lined with paper towels to keep them fresh and crisp throughout the week, saving you prep time. Chop vegetables like peppers, cucumbers, and carrots in advance, storing them separately to maintain their texture and flavor until you're ready to assemble your salad. Prepare your dressings in bulk and store them in jars in the fridge. This allows you to quickly whip up gourmet salads without starting from scratch each time. Layer ingredients in mason jars for grab-and-go meals, starting with the dressing at the bottom and keeping the greens at the top to prevent sogginess. Use leftovers creatively. Turn extra salad into a sandwich, wrap, or even a pasta dish by adding complementary ingredients. Conclusion: making restaurant-style salads at home is all about blending fresh, quality ingredients with thoughtful preparation and a little creativity to elevate your meals effortlessly. With these 40 tips, you'll have all the tools and inspiration to create salads that look and taste so good, you'll never need to order them out again.